The lights are bright, the colors explode. Feel the magic of Diwali unfold. A time to spare moment of thought for the gods whose gifts we all have sought. This is the season to love and be loved. A time when all are one. Spread the word, there is love for all. There is a God, we are His sons. Wear your finery, dress your best. Diwali is a time for bliss. With a prayer on your lips and love in your heart. This is a day you can't just miss. Diwali, the festival of lights, is one of the most widely celebrated festivals of Hindus. It is celebrated with great enthusiasm throughout India and in some other parts of the world. With this festival are associated many lores and legends. It marks the victory of Lord Rama over Ravana and the homecoming of Lord Rama after an exile of 14 years. As a matter of fact, this festival is the symbol of victory of the forces of virtue over evil. Diwali is my favorite festival and I celebrate it with zeal. We decorate our houses with candles and small clay oil lamps. Though fireworks make the celebration more interesting, but we cannot afford to ignore the warning signs and continue with anti-environmental activities. Pollution is one of the primary causes of diseases and deaths in the world. Diwali has lately come to be associated with fireworks. People have been bluntly ignoring the environmental hazards associated with it and continue to burst crackers in celebration of the festival. If we do not mend our ways, it will not just affect the environment but will weaken us as well. So ring in the change and celebrate the festival in a new way. Begin your day by ornamenting your house with lovely fragrant flowers. Beautify your house with attractive paper lanterns, mystical hangings, traditional bells, and colorful rangoli. After the Lakshmi Pujan in the evening, you can substitute fireworks with a live musical evening. Bonfire and few games can add spice to the evening. Complement the party with a rich candlelight dinner. It will give a good texture to the festival. There is much you can do to avoid crackers. Let this change start with this Diwali. Celebrate the occasion with a zest and zeal to make the environment-friendly celebrations a way of life rather than being an option. Inspire others around you by showing them much more fun ways to celebrate this festival without crackers. Welcome Diwali, the festival of lights. Dress up well, look neat and bright. Here and again, we celebrate it with joy. Time to get together and enjoy. Offer gods your regards on this day. Throng the temples with blithe and gay. The gods above shower blessings. All of us are safe and away from sufferings. Visit friends and relatives. Give them nice gifts, eat sweets and snacks. Celebrate the good times. With this, I wish you all a very happy Diwali in advance. Stay safe and enjoy. presented to you by Arbitrary Drawings.